Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager. The process is going to be very simple. So we are going to head over the Google Marketing Platform because those two platforms of, Google Tag and also Google Analytics are going to be contained in the generalized platform of the marketing for Google. So we are going to head over here. Then we are going to click on the a plus icon in here or the menu icon. So we are going to see here Google Analytics and also Tag Manager. If you manage and don't find these apps here, you can go ahead and click on Explore More Products and you're going to see them in here. So we are going to open Analytics and also Tag Manager. As you can see, both of them are going to be opened in here. Now, what we're going to start to do is to head over analytics. Then we're going to add a source, or we are going to simply to create an account within the platform. So we are going to head over the data stream and make sure that we have added the stream. So basically, you are going to add or create, for example, a property. So we are going to head over here, select the property or create a property, set up a name for example, this property and set up the currency of it. Then we are going to head over the business details, select the business details, for example, the type of the business and also the business size. I'm going to select on next. The business objectives, you are going to set up or select the objectives that you have set for that website or that particular property to achieve. For example, here leads, sales, and traffic. So you can go ahead and use the user engagement and retention and other options if you are to be interested in creating some blogs and etc. But for the sales or the main reasons that you are going to create a let's say a commerce or e-commerce right there and online stores, you are going to head over and select the leads, sales, and also traffic. I'm going to click on create. Then we have set up everything. Now we are going to choose only the platform that we have set up. Either it is going to be an Android app, iOS app, or a website. I'm going to select here my website because we need to have this because it is going to give us here a measurement ID. And then we are going to use that measurement ID on Google Tag Manager. I'm going to type in here tags, for example, website, just as a reference name. Then we're going to click on create and continue. Now we have created this property. So Google Tag here, you are going to set up a Google Tag. As you can see, it is going to be either installed manually or automatically. So we are going to set up this. As you can see, we are going to have this installation manually. So we are going to see here below this code, or in this case, we're going to see that we've got a Google tag, let's say GS code or JavaScript code. So we are going basically to have this and add this tag to each page. So we are going to copy this and add it to each one of the pages. So I'm going to give you here an example. We are going to head over our Squarespace website. I'm going to head over the code injection and we're going to put it in the header. So I'm going to put it in this case. I'm going to click on save. Here we have it. You can go ahead and test the installation in here and then you are going to see it. Normally it is going to be here detected. So we are going to wait for it or set up the email instructions. So we are going to keep testing it until it is going to be having the pages in here. So in case you do not see it in here, you're going to instead add it later for a later explanation. Here, I think that my website is not going to be public because it is a private website and it is going to be running on the free plan. So that doesn't matter. So basically, that means that it is going to give you this. This is the measurement ID that you have or the Google tag that you are going to get. Whenever you are going to set up the thing from here, you're going to connect your Google tag to your Google Analytic or GA4. So here, basically, we have set up everything. So the process has been successful. Now we are going to see that this is the measurement ID that we've got from Google Analytics, which is going to be connected to our Google tag. And you can go ahead and see that it is integrated from now on into the Google Analytics. So for the Google tags to be integrated into your website, you need to copy and paste this specific page or the specific code to each one of the pages that you want a Google tag to tag or label and also track. So you are going to test it onto your website, and then you are going to see it over here. So here, basically, the connection is going to be fully automated. You're going to get the menu in here and also all of the data set up. So you can manage the connected site tags, configure the tag settings from here, and view the tag instruction. So you do not need to open up here the everything or all the website that you have set. As you can see, we have this website that we've had the URL from. So it is going to be automatically added in here, and basically it is what it is. So you can go ahead and see here the tags, select the triggers, see the variables, also select or see the folders of that specific website, also the data collected in those. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. And as you can see, the process is going to be fully automated because the two platforms are connected to each other and everything is not going to be set apart. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.